Belle, Boukje, Blomke en Yveske. Hey, Teije Rein en Rijsie. Rijntje en Dolly en Sally. Hey, Rijsie. Hallo. Teije Rein, be careful with your little sister. Rijntje, what are you doing? Hey, Dolly. Hey. Hey, Sally. Oh, whoa. I'm in the back of the pasture next to the highway. So there are the cars, and there they go into the aqueduct. But I'm going to check that pasture if there is water in the ditches. Yesterday or 2 days ago, I don't know anymore. Neef Rein was here with his son, and we opened some ditches, but some of them are not that good yet. So I'm going to check it. And yeah, I'm not very often on this side of our house. But I don't like the sound of the highway. But hey, I like that side. So there's a lot of water, and earlier they opened this one, but there was a lot of water, so they couldn't find the other one. I think it's there. So I have to open it, and then that one will go, I hope. Oh, okay. There's a lot of dirt in it. Ow. Ah, my elbow still hurts. Oh. Okay. Really a lot. Okay. Oh. Oh no. It reminds me on watlopen. Oh. There's really. Ah. Oh. I think. Yes, there it comes. Whoa. Okay. Yay. Yuck. But there's happening something. Yay. It's from over there. So this is good. Now we walk that way. Yes, they opened this one. This is perfect. So this is perfect. And I think tomorrow I check the next one. I hope this one is empty. And I'm happy with my boots. I got these from a friend of mine. Here is even more water. No, I don't do it. And I still got this banana. I think they will like it. Peach? Wat is het, Daisy? Glendy? Daisy? Oh, my fingers. Yes, they really like it. Hey, Rocky. Hey. Kom eens. Rocky, come. Hey, Sally. You didn't like it this morning. Doe maar, Peach. Hey. Come on. You can go that way. Hallo? Doe maar. Doe. Nee, kom. Doe maar. Hey, kom. Daisy. Hey. En Glendy. Kiki en Rocky. En Bouke. Dat krijgt of dat niks. He's working very, very hard. Teije Rein. Hey. Oh. I did right Teije Rein. And now I'm walking on the road. And I don't go to sit on him. Because he's sometimes a bit afraid. And I'm afraid too. I'm not that brave anymore like before. So I thought I'd walk with him. Hello? And it's very windy. And in the arena, he also thinks it's very scary if the wind is blowing through the trees. What's that? So I thought I'm going to walk here. No. Rijntje, Dolly, Sally, Teije Rein en Rijsie en Bouke. Yveske, Belle, Boukje en Blomke. Hey Belle. Good morning. This is Belle. And this morning I dewormed Belle, Yveske en Boukje en Blomke. Hello. And the ponies did go outside. No, not anymore. Peach and Daisy and Glendy. Hey, and I gave some new water. Hey Daisy. Glendy. Hey. Hello. Well, I have the ponies inside at night, and in the morning I bring them out. And now I wanted to give the fillies some water. Oh, there's a lot of work. There's poop from yesterday. This one I have to fill. And I saw something, but I don't have a lot of time. Oh yeah, yesterday I cleaned this one. So here can hay. And look at that. Ah, why? So I have to make a hole and put it in again. And I like it. So there's always something to do. And I don't film a lot. Uh, I don't film a lot because I have to do a lot. So hopefully I have enough videos, and otherwise I post less. Yes, I'm on time. I'm in the car and I'm driving to Wûnder. Wûnder. Hallo? Wûnder, jongen. Hey, Tygo. Goed zo. And my father is renovating the house. Wow.